What's up, everybody? Hey, welcome to Redline Outdoors. This is my YouTube channel. My name's Adam Sanderson. Today we're headed out to Darbone Bayou to catch some bluegill on beds in shallow water in flooded timber, and we need to locate some beds. One way that I like to locate beds in flooded timber is get as close to the bank as you can. As you'll see in this video, I was kicking up mud with my trolling motor. It was so shallow, but a lot of times you can see visibly the beds with your eyes, but being that it's flooded timber, it will be very shady and there won't be any sunlight for you to be able to see down into the water, but you can kind of scan the horizon and you can see them boiling under the water. You can just see a little bit of weight if the wind's not blowing too much. That's one way. And another way, the way we found them today, is we just fan casted to different treetops and just get lucky and finally came across a couple beds. Now whenever you throw next to these trees and you don't get bit within a couple seconds, go to the next tree, because you'll know pretty much immediately whether there's a bed there or not. I want to go ahead and invite you to subscribe to the channel before you leave. Go ahead and do that right now if you want to. Hit that like button, the notification bell, so you'll get notified whenever I post another video. That's a big one.
Grandpa Ricky,
Swing him in.
Yeah, buddy.
Swing him in like that. There you go.
Oh,
That's a
why
good
is
one.
that one red?
All right, get the pliers. All right, we got a good, nice keeper, about hand size. That's a catfish.
I see it.
Just have to really hard because it's big.
It's big, Dad.
Get the net.
Get the net.
Okay. Ready.
A little bit more, Barrett. There you go.
Oh,
Go get it. Good job.
I
Nice
like that.
channel cat.
I like that one.
Bet that was fun.
Yeah, it would never come on.
It's a channel.
That's why we couldn't reel him in. It was so...
Good job, Barrett.
That's a bed.
Come on. There you go.
I can see him.
There, finally. That's a good one, baby. He swallowed it. Maybe there's a bed of them right there.
Huh? Oh, well, if we catch another one right there.
Oh, Kendall, come on, hurry. Let me get it. Okay, there you go.
You're catching a good fish.
Oh, man. Hold on.
You're still a fish. Oh, it's still there. I felt it wiggle.
All right, there it is. Come on. There you go. There you go. Now you tangle all the fingers. Hold your pole. What are you doing?
There's a bed right there.
There you go, Kendall.
This is probably a fish and force fish. Yeah, that's totally a bed right
Reel it. Reel it. Reel it.
there.
Okay. Oops. There you go. That's a
Yeah,
good
that's
one.
totally a bed right there.
You think?
Yeah.
You want to catch this fish? Huh?
What?
You want to catch this fish?
No, you.
Nice size one. If I do that again, Dad, you can come over here and flip by this tree.
Okay. Yeah, get that live well, dude. You put your live well.
All right, Dad. Look how pretty that is.
Let me see. Let me see.
See?
Yeah.
All right, throw him between those two trees right there. All right, so I want to show y'all real quick what we're fishing with. It's a super simple setup. I started off with a ultralight with 6-pound test. I broke it off, but now I've got just another spinning reel. This is a Wally Marshall speed shooter, Lose, nothing special. 6-pound monofilament, and then I've got a size 6 little brim hook with 2 split shot and a cork. I started off using a bobber stopper, but I took it off and just ran it straight through the line. So that's all we're using, and a cricket. All right, so you'll get your the cricket in between your thumb and your pointer finger, and just get that hook and run it behind his little collar, whatever it's called right there, and run it through the length of his body and all the way out. You know what I'm talking about, the other end. And that's it.
And there's 150 crickets in here.
We're over here playing with cameras and he's catching fish.
That's a big one. We over here filming and he got a big old fat fish. Look everybody, there's crickets.
Hey.
Move it out.
Chandler, you sure you don't want to reel these fish in? Huh?
No.
Barrett?
There's a random book. You can reel me.
Barrett, do you want to reel some fish in? You do? Alright. Come up here behind Grandpa Ricky. Hurry, Barrett.
Yeah, that'll be fat.
There you go. Dad, hit him out. He's gonna break it off. Okay.
Spit. Come on, let's get this.
There you go. Good job. Shh. Tim, Barrett, here. There you go. Slow down. Enjoy it. There you go.
I don't want it to get away.
Oh, you're right.
That? Can you open the lights up?
Looks like that string looped around. Now he's peeing on me. Some biggins. Some biggins, boy. Look at that. So that spot that we were just at is right back there, and we probably caught a few around that tree, and we decided to move on. So just left and I caught that one. So maybe they're starting to pick up. Here, Tinley.
No.
Alright, I'll catch him. Barrett, you want him? You gotta hurry.
Get it.
I almost had him in. Good
I
job.
want to catch a fish like that.
You do?
Yeah.
Hold it there. I wasn't ready. There we go.
Look at those spikes.
Good job.
Not good job.
Alright.
Because.
You want to reel one in, Tinley?
Yeah.
I'll try to get you to reel that one in.
No, mine.
Oh. Barrett.
Already?
Dog, fish love this stuff.
You gonna fall in?
If this catching that's almost like the same exact fish. That was a pretty good one, Daddy.
That was a good throw.
Yeah, it was right there.
Good job, Barrett.
Thanks.
Here, Barrett.
I think I saw something black where it's a fish.
Don't horse it in. Take your time. Enjoy it.
No!
Where's he at?
No!
Tinley, be quiet. There you go.
I'm gonna catch that.
Alright. Tinley, I'm gonna put a cork on your pole and I'm gonna help you, okay?
No.
Good job. There you go. Grandpa Ricky's got one. A big one. Big one. Look at that. That's big enough to fillet. You ready to catch one? Alright, Tinley, I got your little Paw Patrol thing rigged up. You ready? Alright, this next one you're going to do all by yourself. Okay?
Yay! But quick, it's slip.
Hang on, Tinley. I need to get it closer to that tree.
Alright, it's one of the day. He's not?
Look at that, boy. Look at that. Jerk it. Jerk it. There you go. Look at all those fish up there. Good job. Rip, rip. Pull him up. There you go. There you go. Look at that. You caught your own fish on your Paw Patrol reel. Look at that. Give me 5. You did it by yourself. Good job.
Drop.
Alright, reel it slack. Reel it up. Put your rod tip down. Jerk it. Good job. You're gonna break your line. Alright. Pull it up. Good job. Alright, we're getting too close to our tree. If we get too close, it'll scare them off. Good job. Give me 5. Throw it to the left of that tree. There you go. Cock it, jerk it, jerk it, jerk it. Alright, Dad, throw up there. Good job, Tinley. Good.
I want to try to fish over there.
Why would you fish over there when you're catching them every cast right there?
No, me.
No.
You already caught them by yourself.
Let's fish now.
It's under Barrett's feet.
Let's get the fish there.
Look at that big old fish.
Oh, wow. You need one, partner. Okay.
Good job, Barrett.
That looks like a...
Through it. Keep your eye on that court.
Get him.
There you go.
There you go. Alrighty. Yes, there you go. Good job.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
Look at that big old fish, girl.
Look.
Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna take this opportunity to go get some more chicken. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, boy, what is it? It's a fish. What kind?
It's the same exact fish as all of them.
Oh, boy.
Man, these are some good ones.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, baby.
There. Real slack. Go. There you go. Ooh, boy. You see all those fish that's following it? All right, slow down. Enjoy it.
Wow.
Look at that big old fish.
Look.
Isn't it pretty?
All right, pull him in. All right.
Look.
Hold the rod, Tinley. Don't let go.
You ready?
Got it.
As soon as it gets the water, you gotta get ready to go.
He's peeing.
Ew.
Tinley.
Wait.
Get him, Barrett.
They pee.
Oh,
Ew,
look
he's
at all
peeing.
of them.
Huh?
You made him jump out of the water.
Whoa.
We're wearing him out now.
He's like, oh, I'm tired from the feeding.
Y'all just put it in the live well.
Man, those are some pretty fish. Dad. Open it.
Bring on in.
Because they're all catching a lot.
You gonna fish with Grandpa Ricky? Barrett, you gonna come fish with me?
Y'all are catching some too if you just...
What is it? Good grief. That thing was fighting. He did.
What do you think is a blue marlin?
He did it all at once.
Mom,
Now he's done.
Mommy, we catch so much fish.
Look how dark they are. This one is. Alright, so what we have done is we have found two different beds of brim that are within, I don't know, 25 yards. Dad's got one on right now. But we've caught so many fish that I can't show it all in one edit. But what we've done is we located this bed, and once they slacked off, I just happened to find another bed about 25 yards away and worked on them, and then they slowed down and then come back over here to this other bed. started catching them again. Is what we're doing now. And we're about to go back to that other bed one more time, and then we're gonna call it a day. But we caught a lot of brim, so we've had a good trip.
I catched a big fish, and also guess what? We saw alligator.
We did see an alligator.
And Dad saw a turtle, a big one, a big barrel.
Are you playing in the crickets?
Yeah. This one's dead, I think.
You got it?
Hopefully.
All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. We put the hurting on those brim. We had a great time. Hey, y'all get out there, y'all go fishing. You still got time to find some brim on the beds right now. If you find a bed, man, you can really work on them. So y'all take those kids, take your wife, take yourself, it don't matter. Y'all get outside, y'all go fishing. Once again, I appreciate y'all tuning in to Redline Outdoors, and I will catch y'all on the next adventure. I don't know what it's gonna be. We'll see. We'll catch y'all next time. God bless.